Hello friends, my name is Badal. Something strange is happening in America. People are not longer trusting the news, they are not longer trusting politicians, and now millions of Americans believe the entire system is broken. At the center of this political storm stands one man, Donald Trump, loved by millions, hated by millions people, but impossible to ignore. And as the next election get closer, America feel more divided than ever before. Trump never really disappeared. Many people thought Donald Trump's political career was finished. After years of controversy, investigations, and non-stop media attacks, critics believe America would move on from him. But something unexpected happened. Trump became even more powerful online. Every speech went viral, every interview became headline news, every court case created even more attention. The more people talked about him, the stronger his supporters became. And slowly, Trump turned from a former president into something much bigger, a political movement. Why so many Americans support him? Outside America, many people ask the same question. Why do millions still support Trump? The answer is simple. Many Americans feel forgotten. They believe politicians stopped caring about normal people years ago. Food prices increased, rent became expensive, crime became daily fare in some cities, and many people became angry with the government. Trump speaks differently. From traditional politicians, he sounds aggressive, direct, something even shocking. But supporters say that is exactly why they trust him. They believe he says what other politicians are afraid to say to them. Trump is fighting against powerful elites, media companies, and political insiders. And that message connected deeply with millions of frustrated Americans. The people who fear Trump. But not everyone sees Trump as hero. In fact, millions of Americans are deeply afraid of his return. Critics believe he creates anger and division. Some say his speeches make Americans more emotional and aggressive politically. Others believe democracy itself is becoming weaker because people are losing trust in election and institutions. News channel debate Trump almost every single day. One side say he is saving America. The other side says he is damaging it. And because of this, America feels trapped in non-stop political warfare. Social media changed everything. Years ago, politics mainly happened on television. Now it's happened on phones, TikTok, TikTok clips, YouTube videos, live streams, viral tweets. One speech can reach millions of people within minutes, and controversy speeds faster than truth. Some creators defend Trump aggressively, others track him every day. The internet turned politics into entertainment, and emotional content always get more views. But that is why political videos in America keep becoming more dramatic. Fear get clicks and anger gets comments, chaos get attention. America feels emotionally exhausted. This is the part many outsiders do not understand. America are tired. Every day feels like another argument. Online fight, political debates, breaking news alerts. People are emotionally exhausted from constant tension. Some family even stopped talking because of politics. Friends remove each other from social media, and closer the election gets, the more emotional people become. because many Americans believe the future of country is at risk. Why the whole world is watching. This election is not just important for America. The entire world is watching closely because when America changes, global politics changes too. Countries everywhere are watching Trump's return carefully. Some world leaders worry about instability. Others believe Trump's leadership could completely reshape international politics again. And that pressure makes this election even more intense. Final ending. Strong cinematic. Donald Trump remains one of the most powerful and controversial figures in modern history. Some Americans see him as the last hope for the country. Others see him as a warning sign for the future. But one thing is certain, no matter what happens next, America will never be the same again because this is no longer just an election. It has become a battle over the identity of the United States. What do you think? Will America become stronger after this election or more divided than ever before? Comment below.